I would just say that, this is a little like when you see the car commercials and they're doing this fancy stuff with the trucks or with the cars, and they say, okay, closed course, professional driver. Well, that's the same thing with taxes. Okay, it's a closed course. You need a professional driver because you don't want to do this on your own. I see too many real estate investors, especially, try to do it on their own. And the difference between paying 60% in tax and paying zero tax is probably going to come down to how good is your team around you.
Hmm. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, imagine taking that money and reinvesting it instead of just because you don't want to end a relationship with an accountant. I hear it all the time from our
Exactly.
viewers. It's like, oh, but we've been with him for 7 years. And it's like going to it's like going to a barber that you don't really want to get your haircut with this barber anymore because it's just not that good. But you just don't know how to say goodbye. Well, when you put those numbers down on the table, it makes it much more palatable, I think, to be able to walk away.